In this video, I will share with you the best passive income ideas that actually work and that anyone can start from scratch with little or no experience and requires very little money to start with. Because wouldn't it be awesome if you can just wake up and then there's money in your bank account? Cha-ching! It's like money falling from the sky. Let it rain. Because that would be my ideal world. But here's a big but. These are not easy and they will require a lot of work up front. I will share with you my journey as I am starting from scratch, so you can get a realistic picture of how much time and effort are required. My goal is that eventually that you and I will be able to generate multiple sources of income and that it'll reach a level or even surpass our daytime job. Then we can say, bye-bye, see you later, boss. And that we can work from the comfort of our home and on our own schedules. If this is what you want, then stick until the end. Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to my channel where I share personal finance tips to help you reach your financial success. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. First one up, YouTube. Essentially, be a content creator. Being on YouTube opens many doors for ways to make money. Not just from the YouTube ads. There are other ways, such as selling merchandise, such as t-shirts, mugs. There's affiliated marketing that you promote other people's products and in exchange you get a small commission and no cost to your subscribers. There are sponsorships, such as companies paying you to promote their products in your videos. But just make sure that you promote the products that are aligned with your values and your core message, so that your audience trusts the products that you promote. Then there are also crowdfunding such as Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. If your audience loves you and wants to support you, then they will donate money to you as a token of appreciation. P.S. I really love if you support me. Mwah! So you can get started with YouTube quite easily as long as you have a phone and that you have a laptop. You can just record and edit your videos and post them online. It does take a lot of time before you can actually see results, which means that you will have to be consistent and follow through with posting videos. Know that each video usually takes at least 5 to 10 hours. I would say some even go up to 20 hours. It depends on how much research and filming and editing is required. So be patient, really do it if this is what you can stick with. And this is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, it usually takes an average of 6 months to a year. Some take up to 2 years to be able to join the YouTube Ad Partnership Program, which requires you to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and that is a high threshold. But once you are able to be monetized and that your videos are up there for people to watch, then years down the road, the videos that you published 5 years ago, 10 years ago, will still be making money for you. For me, I just started my YouTube journey a few months ago. I aim to post 1 video a week and that I will be consistent and follow through with it because I do enjoy sharing financial tips with you and helping you solve your financial problems. And my goal is that we can build a community where we help each other grow financially and reach our financial success. Okay, next up, affiliated marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and in exchange you get a small commission in return and no cost to your subscribers or your followers. There are so many products to promote out there. If you know a product, likely that they have affiliate marketing. The most well-known one is Amazon affiliate. People shop on Amazon all the time, and if you put your Amazon affiliate link in your description below, and then if someone clicks on that link and purchase whatever product that they were browsing on Amazon, then you get a small commission in return. It's just as easy as that. Click, buy, and you get a small commission. Sounds great, right? So do your research and find the companies that you want to promote. Make sure that they are aligned with your core values so that your audience continue to trust in you in the products that you promote. Some companies give a generous commission for their affiliate marketing promoters. So do your research and find that out. For example, ClickBank. If you see on the list here, there are lots of products to promote out there, but you have to figure out what works for you and your targeted niche and what works for your audience. Always put your audience needs first. The best thing about affiliated marketing is that you do not have to take the time to create the products. So what you'll need to do is mention the brand that you're promoting, whether it's through doing a product review, a buying guide, a comparison, Apple versus Samsung, or a detailed product unboxing, and much more. In order to be successful with affiliated marketing and earning substantial amount of money, you will need followers. You will need people to come to watch your content, whether it's through YouTube, blog, or podcast, or what have you, or Instagram, Twitter. You need some sort of fan base where they will come to you and they trust the stuff that you promote. Once they click on those affiliated links, that's how you get the commission in return. And don't forget, always put your audience first and remember to thank them because they are essentially helping you make money. Okay, the third idea is digital content. This is basically creating products online such as online courses, ebooks, digital templates, custom designs, stock photos, videos, stock music, etc., and much more. Once you have your digital products, you can sell them on Shopify, Etsy, Sellify, lots of various platforms, even on your own website as well. For example, the Savvy couple, they launched a Shopify store selling budgeting templates, and they're making a few $1,000s, and it continues to grow. Since all these products are digital, what you'll need to do is funnel your audience to your online stores so that you can make the sales. Like I mentioned before, you can write an ebook if there is a topic that you are very passionate about or that you have solved a problem and can provide insider tips and tricks. Then write an ebook and you can self-publish it on Amazon Kindle. For example, I wrote a guide on losing weight through juicing, how to get started, because I went through that personal experience myself of losing 30 pounds in 60 days through juicing. So I wrote a little guide on how to start and I self-published it on Kindle just as an experiment to try it out. And then same thing with online courses. If you are able to solve a problem because either you've done it before or you have expertise in this area, create a course. Have a step-by-step tutorial on how people can achieve it, from identifying their problem to the pain points that they will go through during their journey to the ultimate final result that they'll be getting. I'm sure there are people out there in the world that's looking for what you have to offer. Okay, last one up is online business or e-commerce. Products such as physical goods, it could be through selling on Amazon or drop shipping or even print on demand t-shirts and merchandise like that. For Amazon, it does require money upfront because you'll need to purchase the inventory and ship it to the Amazon warehouse so that they can fulfill your products and shipment for you. Whereas drop shipping, you don't need to put money upfront because once the customer clicks on the buy, and then that will be sent to the supplier who will then organize and arrange all the shipping and labeling to be sent out directly to your customer. And you don't need to actually put that money up front to have the inventory in the warehouse. And same thing with print-on-demand stores. You can create designs and then upload to websites like RedBubble or Teespring. And then what will happen is that once someone likes your design and then purchase, say, a t-shirt, then RedBubble will take care of all the printing and all the logistics of getting that merchandise out to your customer. So you don't have to worry about any of the logistics, which means that you don't have to put money up front to have the inventory. So I also tried out uploading my designs onto RedBubble. As you can see here, my store is called FobbyBobby because I was called that, oh, you look Bobby wearing those pants. And I thought, so what's wrong with that? So then I thought, well, if I liked it, I'm sure there are people out there like that. So then I created a few designs and then I upload it onto RedBubble. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my designs. And if you do like them, consider making a purchase. I would really appreciate that. So I'll leave a link in the description down below. Okay, there you have it. The best 4 passive income ideas that actually work, that requires very little experience, and that requires very little money up front, that anyone can give it a try like I did. I started from scratch. I learned how to create videos and edit them and post them. I created designs in Canvas and uploaded onto RedBubble. I created ebooks and self-published it on Amazon Kindle. And then I haven't tried dropshipping yet, but it is something on my radar that I've been researching it. So if this is something that you're interested in, leave me a comment below and let me know what you'd like to know more about. And I will share my journeys, my pain points, what I wish I had known before with you. Why I say these are the 4 best passive income ideas is because they're always on. Basically what I mean is that once you create them, they're online. They're there for anyone to access 24/7, and you can technically go to sleep. You can be, a year down the road. Those products or services that you created will still be available online for your customers to purchase, and you can make a sale from it. So I'm super excited about my journey on creating passive incomes, and because I did all the ones I've mentioned above, I want to see where it takes me 6 months, a year, 2 years, 5 years down the road. At the time of this filming, it's December 2021. I will report back in 6 months, which is June 2022, and share my results with you. And I hope to do an update annually so that you can follow along my journey where I share all these tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. I hope I have provided value to you through this video. If not, here's a cute puppy picture for you to enjoy, and I hope I put a smile on your face. And in return, I would greatly appreciate if you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to find out more videos to achieve your financial success. And remember, always be open-minded and try new things. Just know that everything you're doing right now is working towards your financial goals. Even if you're not making money right now, you are gaining new skill sets that will help you on the next stages of your adventure. As always, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Have a great day and a financially blossoming life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.